Dear student, now the next problem for intersection of solid. A vertical square prism of side of base 40 mm, axis height 75 mm has its face equally inclined with VP. Same as previous problem. Now the intersection for this square prism is circle having diameter is 40 mm and length is 75 mm, and this intersection is perpendicular to the axis of vertical square prism and it bisecting. Now we can draw this problem. Now first draw a square prism which is equally inclined. This is a reference line. Equally inclined with 40 mm side. Now the top view, front view and side view. The name is A, B, C and D. This is what top view. Now front view, draw another axis. Head is 75 mm long. A1, this is B1, D1, this is C1. Same from bottom and top. Now another X dash Y dash line for side view. This is B point, A and C point. This is what D point. (75) it is bisecting the cylinder of diameter 40 mm. This is penetration from the side view. Now divide this circle in equal 12 parts. And name this circle is 1 double dash, because this is side view, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 4 double dash, 5 double dash, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is 12. Now project this circle in top view, and next it is for front view. Now project this all points in the top view and front view. Now from this stage, now this is circular, we divide into 12 parts. This is number 4 point, 4 point is attached here. We can project, this is what, P4. Same way this is also P4 dash, and same line for this is what, 10 point, this is also 10, it is P4 and P10. Now this is 3 and 5, cutting in this position, in this line, 3 and 5. This is 3 line, this point is P3, and this is 5, this is what, P5. Same line, which one this is, 9 and 11. This 3 and 11 in one line. For other side, this point, this is P dash 3 and 11, and this portion for P dash 3 and 11. This is 2 and 6. 2 and 6 line is here. Cutting portion is this point. Downside 10, 8 and 12. 8 and 12, this line comes with 6, 8. This is P6, 8. P2 and 12. same point in this position. This is 2 and 6. This is P dash 2 comma 12. This is 8 and 12. This is P 8 and 6. Now the last point is A and C. No line intersecting this portion. Now join all these P points with the help of French curve. And this line represent dotted line. This is all about intersection of prism to cylinder.